Yes, family. Good morning, good morning. Another great rise, you know? Yeah, it's Sunday. Planned on relaxing and sleeping in today, but nice day like this you have to take advantage of. Morning, Chloe. Yeah. So I'm gonna start working on this deck project, at least doing some preparation, getting some of this stuff up. So once the project start, the area is clean up and ready to go. Hi Ranger. Let me tell you, so them not left me. But yeah, we're gonna start work on this thing. All right, go on, go play. So you get out of my way. All right, so I got to remove this umbrella, hopefully. So we can get this thing started. Yeah, I got this thing here so I could use to so my umbrella doesn't fall over. Thing is, this deck has, with some of these screws, the longer screws. So yeah, these screws have that little smooth tip. So when it goes all the way through the deck, I have to get it up. At least use the crowbar to brace it so it will come up. Much easier. Hold on. Some come up easier than some. Some I have to brace. Yeah, but like I said, it's nice and warm today. It's probably in the 60s today. Yeah, so we can move this out the way. As you can see, like I said, when I put on that next decking, I probably won't screw it in like that on the deck, that umbrella anyway. So as you can see the deck, it's all worn out. All the wood is worn out. So today I'm just removing this bench. This bench that was built into the deck, this wooden deck, because I won't be able to use it on the next one. So the goal now is to get this removed out the way. Could probably repurpose this anyway. Already started Getting some of it up. So hopefully it's not as hard as I think. Need some leverage. You know what? I'm thinking about it. I should get one of my safety goggles. Then you see one of my safety goggles in there? Anyone works. Yeah, I always have to think about safety. Safety first. But yeah, gotta get these off first. That's what I mean when I say they don't leave me out. They don't stay far. Not bad so far. Like I said, I could repurpose this to, once I remove all this, I could repurpose this to build something else. That's what I say. Not got to waste. That's my philosophy. Nothing goes to waste. Nah, I got more. All right, so I think this is the first one. See that? That was rotten. Thank you, Lynn. All right. Because you already know, the one time you don't have it is when something happened. And I need my eyes. Yeah, this will be a challenge figuring out what goes where. Once you get that first one off though, the other ones are pretty easy. Yeah. Watch out, Ranger. Go play. Trying to get them away from here so they don't get stuck with these nails. Let's see. All right. Nice and light. It's gonna be some work trying to get these nails out, but like I said, at least get all this stuff off. This will be less work I have to do when it's time to get this deck ready for refurbishing. Maybe I'll use some of this stuff for firewood. Watch out, Lord Ranger. Leave that. Get away from there. Get stuck with one of these nails, you're gonna be going to the hospital. You know, these dogs are like kids here. You know. Watch out. One down, 3 to go. Yep. So when I replace this, that bench is not going to be there. It's going to be a more open space to put more chairs and stuff. So then I have to take down this entire railing system and put up that new railing system. So we're going to leave it here for now. Like I said, it's going to take a little while. So we'll check back in when this is all done. All right. So stay tuned and I'll show you where we are in a few. love the heat. Get all this stacked up over here. Make sure I get these nails out too. Out the deck so the dogs don't step on it. Yeah, can't leave these nails in the deck because dogs will step on them. Like I said, it's a hospital bill. It's not cheap. Might be it. All I gotta do is get the blower here. Yeah, that's it for today. But yeah, the what you call it, the deck already looks bigger on this side. You know, I won't be able to put that bench back up, but at least, you know, I got more deck space to see where that bench was. I got more deck space now to put chairs out there, so I can move my table back. Maybe put my umbrella on the outside of the deck hanging over, you know. But yep, stage, I wouldn't even say stage one, it's like stage half. We gotta take down all this railing that you see all the way around there to replace it with a new railing. So I got this deck to do, and I got the lower deck to do, I got the upper deck to do. So for now, I've gotten some work in, and might have to get the crew together. Yeah, I'll get the crew together. So until next time, this is, as I said, stage half of many stages. All right, so I just wanted to show you that I took some time here on the Sunday to do a little bit of project, and we'll continue on the next time. All right, so stay tuned. Say bye, Ranger. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah. He's shy. Yeah, right. All right, family. Until next time, stay tuned. Some of my crazy dogs running around the yard. Say bye, Chloe. Say bye-bye. All right, family. Until next time, stay tuned.